Greetings to all our lovely Sindhis and a very happy Cheti Chand to everybody in advance. Now we look forward to making this Cheti Chand a remembrance forever. While we look forward to all of us coming together for this grand celebration, I have a message for all of you. As we all know, Sindhi is one of the oldest civilization, and right from the time of Mohenjo-daro, we've been very active in the art and culture and progressive even at that point of time. We are truly proud of our roots. So this is the moment for us, for all of us to come together and truly request for our own DD Sindhi channel, which is 24/7, where we take our heritage forward and let the next generation know everything about Sindhis and our beautiful culture and our living legends. So this is hashtag We Want DD Sindhi. Now, when we celebrate Cheti Chand, I'm sure we go to some organization, and at the same time, this English video is for the youth of today, for the Gen Z, so that we all comfortable and are on the same page. But this video is also in Hindi language and in Sindhi language. So I want to please request you all that wherever you are, go there and please sign this letter saying that we want DD Sindhi. It's hashtag We Want DD Sindhi, which we can also post on our social media handles. And of course, it's a humble request with folded hands that under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, and with his blessings, we can truly have a dedicated Sindhi channel under the government media, which is Doordarshan. And DD Sindhi shall be the flagship channel of Doordarshan, just like DD channel is the flagship channel of Doordarshan. And what a great, humongous opportunity for all of us to reach globally and to reach the remote parts of the world. As we all know that they all don't have access to the smartphones. Not everyone is very comfortable with, YouTube and the social media handles. With this channel, we'll reach everywhere, and more than that, we will all be connected and all be one. So lots of love to one and all, and please, this is a very nimari vinti tama sabni sa kaya thi, and thoraiti aya tama sabni ji, that we all have connected right from the time of pandemic, that we've all come together. This is a beautiful opportunity. Sub-organizations, all the organizations, please make sure that you have a letter there which only gives the mention that we want DD Sindhi channel is what we look forward to with all humbleness and love. And they say love has a lot of power. If we all come together and of course request with lots of love, I'm sure we'll have our own channel where we all shall relish the togetherness forever. So it's a humble request to all of you. Once again, lots of love to one and all. Let us truly go ahead and absolutely do our bit just by signing this letter for We Want DD Sindhi channel. Rest of the details are given here. I'm truly thankful to each and every one of you and to every Sindhi for coming together and becoming one, and gratitude in advance for your signature. And I'm sure our dream shall be successful. Lots of love and happy Cheti Chand. Jai Jhulelal.